Welcome to this tutorial on how to generate a statement of account, SOA, using Workstair. First, navigate to the Customers section and select the customer for whom you want to generate the statement of account. On the Customer Details page, choose Statements of Account from the drop-down menu. Here, you can preview the SOA to review all transactions on screen. To see all outstanding transactions, check the All Outstanding box. Alternatively, you can select a specific period from the drop-down menu, such as the last 6 months, the current year, or any custom period of your choice. When the For Outstanding Only option is checked, only transactions with outstanding balances are displayed. When you uncheck it, all transactions for the customer will be shown. To generate the SOA as a PDF, click Download SOA. The PDF will include the same settings and configuration you selected during preview. If you don't need a preview, you can go directly to the Download SOA button in the Action menu, where you can select the Prepared by Person and apply other configurations as explained earlier. Click Download to get the SOA as a PDF. Thank you for watching. If you need any additional clarification, don't hesitate to reach out to our support team.